In this video guys, we will make corned beef. Ayan, lumpia. So, ito yung ating ingredients for the day. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan yung ating ingredients. So, this is 2 pounds of ground beef. Ayan. So, we will start now. What we're going to do is we need to grind that in the grinding machine. Alright, so ito ay na-chop na natin. So, yan yung ating mga ingredients for the day. So, that is ready for mix. So, we will start with the carrots. Okay, grind natin yung ating carrots. Alright. Pagsama-samahin na yan sila guys. Madali lang naman yan. Alright guys, natapos na natin yan. Hindi natin ito itatapon kasi kasama sa ating ingredients yan. So, lalagay natin ulit dyan. Paghaluin lang yung juice. Alright. So, ito yung ating 2 pounds na pork. Ayan. So, halo lang natin yan. Itong salt. And the green one is our. And then we have our 2 eggs. Okay, this is a flour, 1 tablespoon. 2. So we will mix it together. Okay, so this is already ready for wrap. So we will wrap this individually. Alright guys, let's proceed to wrap. So what we're going to do is wrap like that. Remember guys, this is beef. Most likely in the Philippines we will use pork, but we can also make this right like that, or like that, and turn, roll it. That's our lumpia. So depending on you what size you wanted to, but for me that size is enough. That size is good for 1 meal. Like that. So this is very easy. This is the specialty of ASEAN people, right? Anyway guys, mega love shout out everyone. Kung nakapanood ka ngayon nito sa aking video, pakitamsak naman, at saka kung saang place kayo, paki-write naman para malaman natin kung saan ba tayo hanggang nakakarating yung ating mga videos. Ayan, so this is another additional tips how to make a lumpia. So as I told you guys, this is a beef, so not only pork that we're gonna make of lumpia, but the beef also is very delicious. I can tell you that because I always making this. Alright, and then I always keep praising on this one guys, and every time that you want to eat, you just throw it out and fried. So we have already our dinner. So this is easily to do. Like that. Okay, so something like that guys. You can do that easily. And don't forget to follow my page, everyone. I really appreciated that if you do. Something like that only. Wrap. Okay. Like that. Alright, we're almost done, guys. Ayan, this is the last one that I need to wrap. Okay. So here, we need to transfer this in. We have already here. Ayan. So this is ready for frozen, guys. So on that 2 pounds, we got 21 lumpia. Alright, my God. So may natutunan na naman kayo sa akin, guys. Ayan. Ganun lang ako, guys. Nirarap ko yan. And frozen siya. Ipo-frozen ko lang yan. Tapos, pagka in case na gusto namin kumain, ayan, tanggalin na natin sa freezer. And there you are. So, I have a lot variety of lumpia because I have pork, I have venison. Ayan. So, ito na yun siya, guys. Ayan. As you can see. So, lalagyan ko lang siya ng label dito. Kung anong date today. Ayan. Ganyan lang siya, guys. Pag nagawa kayo ng lumpia. O, diba? Ayan. Alright. So, hindi na ako magpa-fried kasi ipa-freezer ko lang to. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this my video. So may natutunan na naman kayo. Kasi ang lahat ng mga ingredients ilagay ko dyan sa aking description box. Thank you so much. Bye!